All right, so today we're gonna be doing a top end on the Honda XR100, except for we're in the shop right now and it's been crazy windy, so as you can see all the dirt and dust everywhere. We're gonna bring it into the gym, that's the part of the house that's the gym over there. We're gonna put it in the gym and we're going to rebuild it in the gym. This is gonna be a little bit interesting. I've never done a top end before. All the tools are here in the shop, so we're gonna bring the bike down there, we're gonna wash it, and then we're gonna start working on a top end and see if we can do it. First thing, we gotta pull out the four-wheelers real quick. Honda, bro, not been started. Exhaust right here, that's the header. My hand is on it. This thing is frozen, it's cold. Everything's cold. Check this out. Kill switch, choke, key. We're gonna pull the Sportsman out and then we're gonna put all of our tools on the Honda and use the Honda to bring it down to the shop, or to the gym now. New shop, pretty much. All right, we got the tools that I think we'll need right here. We got the drill with all the tools in the tool bag. And then we got FridayParts.com tools. Check them out. Link is in the description and in the bio. Let's go bring this downstairs to the gym. And this is the gym here. It's like almost a half court-ish, basically free throws. So yeah, this is the gym and we got heat too. And we'll be able to rebuild the bikes in here. We gotta find the table, but we'll do it in here, so let's do it. And here's the XR100. We got all of our tools downstairs. Now let's get this bike started. I'm just actually driving downstairs. Let me show you guys how bad this thing smokes. Yeah, it needs a new top end for sure. Still runs pretty good and it revs up really good. And there we go, we got it down here now. Let's get this thing washed and torn apart and let's just do it. Let's go. All right, we got the bike in the gym after we washed it. Man, it looks so much better compared to what it looked like before. Like, it had all sorts of grease all over everywhere. So it looks pretty clean now. It looks good. The reason why I didn't scrub that back tire is because it's kind of cooked and I have another one already. We will need to put a new tire on it, but right now we're gonna work on the top end. I don't think I'm gonna pull the engine out of the frame. I think I'm gonna leave it in the frame and just take everything else out that's around it. Friday Parts sent me these ratcheting wrenches here. Dude, these things, stuff like down here on a kickstart or something like that, cracking this stuff off, man, so much easier than popping it on, off, over and over again. These ratcheting wrenches, dog, game changer. There we go, got the shifter off. All right, that's all we're doing tonight. I took off the exhaust, the carburetor, and everything. I got a friend coming out tomorrow, and we're gonna finish everything else. We'll be able to tear the whole top end down. All right, guys, it's a new day. We got Joel over here riding a scooter around for no reason, but we are gonna be tearing into this engine finally, getting it torn apart, and getting this bad boy rebuilt. Not today, we're just gonna tear it apart. I haven't even bought a piston for it yet. So we're gonna figure out what it needs, if it needs valves, timing chain, all that stuff. Figure out in this video. Boom, we got the valve cover off, and now we got everything here. And it looks to be pretty good. Don't know what I'm doing, so I think I'm just gonna start pulling bolts and see what happens. We got all 4 bolts removed off the top of the valve thing off, and now we're gonna work on the timing chain tensioner and pull all that stuff out. I don't even know what I'm doing, but let's do it. And this is how it looks. We got stuff everywhere. So we got a cylinder right here. We finally got this rod out. It was seized in there. Pistons, checking it out right here. Definitely needs some new something. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna throw a new piston in, and this is the cylinder. I'm gonna hone it out. It has a little bit of scoring in it, just a little bit, a lot of the places, but it's fine. We don't care. Top of the valve covers right there. The head right here. Do a leak down test, put some water and see if it'll leak at all. So, but we got everything. So I think this is going to be it for part 1. All right, we got everything torn apart. As you can see, you got the head there and we got the cylinder and everything. Let me know if you guys know anything about this bike. I have no idea how to work on. I've never done anything top end related at all. So let me know if anything I'm doing wrong or any tips and tricks that you guys have on how to get these things properly running right. I don't know how to do timing. I don't know how to do chain tensioner. I don't even know how to properly do anything. So see you guys later. Peace.